Minasan, okari nasai. Nice to see you back here again. Recently we've been talking about shampoos, right? Let's switch to after shampoo care. Take a look at conditioners, rinses, and treatments. Now it's not always easy to differentiate between the three. It gets even more difficult when Japanese manufacturers actually uses the words conditioners and rinses interchangeably. But conditioners and rinses do have something in common. That's why they are replaced by each other often. Let's talk about rinses first. Rinses are often used to decrease the alkalinity of our hair. This happens when we use certain shampoos that increase the alkalinity, especially when we use soap-based shampoos. Rinses play the role of neutralizing after using these shampoos. Conditioners can be thought of as more advanced rinses. Usually conditioners contain beneficial minerals and moisturizing agents to make our hair look better. However, this does not make the conditioners better than rinses because some may turn out too stimulating for some, especially for sensitive scalps. Another benefit we get from conditioners is that they protect and repair hair, and that is what makes them similar to treatments. Conditioners provide a certain extent of repair to the surface of the hair and give a protective coating against external exposure. Although treatments also provide hair repair benefits, it repairs from inside the hair strands instead. It contains ingredients that penetrate into the hair strands to repair them from within. Furthermore, treatments are able to give us control over our hair quality. So where does all these differences leave us? Well, we're gonna have to learn about the individual products before we make any purchase. Unlike shampoos where we can generally expect a good cleanse, for this case we're gonna have to learn the precise purpose of a conditioner, a rinse, or a treatment. We may need to learn the timing of use too, and of course ultimately may require us to learn what kind of hair and what kind of scalp we have. Let's take a look at some examples from Japanese brands, starting with Shabondama Mutenka Rings. This comes as a set together with the Shabondama Mutenka soap shampoo, which is soap based. The rinse will be required to neutralize the alkalinity after using the shampoo counterpart. Otherwise, our hair will start to feel starchy and might lead to some to think that soap-based shampoos are not good. That said, this rinse is suitable for sensitive scalps. It's made from natural ingredients, so you can expect that there is no silicone, scent, colorants, or preservatives. Honeyce Deep Moist Treatment approaches hair damage in 3 different ways: against UV damage, heat damage, and damage from hair coloring. Not only that, Honeyce products have always provided highly satisfactory moisture care to the hair. This treatment is made from organic sunflower honey and natural amino acid, on top of being free of paraben, synthetic coloring, mineral oils, and synthetic preservatives. The REMAYU hair treatment is an amino acid based product that uses horse oil to moisturize and provide nutrients to the hair. It also contains ingredients such as birch bark and pearl barley extracts, which have good penetrating strength to enrich the hair from within. If you are looking for strong silky hair, you can consider using the REMAYU's shampoo too. If you do plenty of hair coloring or perming, you can give moist Diane's Extra Damage Repair Oil a look. To give the treatment a highly moisturizing strength that reaches into the hair, it uses 3 types of oil: cactus oil, mango oil, and andiroba oil, all of organic nature. It also uses amino keratin for hair repair from within the strand and from the roots. Conditioners, rinses, and treatments play important roles for hair care, not limited to but especially for hair damage repair. In fact, we might use more than one product for after shampoo care for that delightful boost in moisture care. Thank you once again for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, do consider hitting that subscribe button for weekly videos about Japanese products. If you like today's video, then you're gonna enjoy the upcoming episodes too. Alright, with that, we'll see you next week. We'll be talking about a recent release of shampoos in Japan, so do stay tuned for that. Till then, stay happy and smile.